Hello guys, in this video I'll mention isdown, hideturtle, showturtle, fillcolor and filling commands. First of all, I wanna draw a square for that. For A in range, for turtle forward 100, turtle right 90 degrees. Let's see what happened. Now I want to teach you how we can use isdown command. For that, if turtle is down, draw a square. Let's see what happened. It happened again because turtle is down is 1. Print turtle is down. I want to see better. Let's see what happened. It's true. True is equal to 1. For example, turtle pen up. I will not see any square on the screen because turtle pen up here is false, so 0. Let's see it better. Turtle is down. It's false. We don't see any square because of the if command. If I will replace it with pen down, I will see a square on the screen. Let's see what happened. Here are square and it's true. Let's learn how we can use hideturtle and showturtle command. I will delete here. I will run our code. It's our turtle. If I don't want to see this turtle here, turtle hideturtle, we will not see any turtle on the screen. It's gone. Now I want to draw a triangle. For that, for A in range 3, turtle forward 120, turtle right 120. Let's see what happened. I want to change the direction this triangle. For that, instead of right, I will write left. Okay, that's perfect. Now we can learn how we can use isVisible command. If turtle is visible, draw a triangle. Let's see what happened. We didn't see anything because we use hideturtle command. For that, turtle is visible is false and we didn't see any. Print turtle is visible. We will see here false. Let's try. It's our false and we don't see any triangle on the screen. Instead of hideturtle, we can use showturtle. Let's see what happened. It's true because turtle is visible, true, and it's our triangle. Also, I can delete here. I'm gonna see same result. Okay, that's cool. Now I wanna teach you how we can use fillcolor. For that, at first I will change turtle color blue, turtle fillcolor red, turtle begin fill, turtle and fill. Let's see what happened. It's red. We can replace it with pink. Let's see what happened again. That's perfect. Let's change here with filling command. We are gonna see a triangle again because filling command is 1. Let's see it. I will copy here. I will paste here. I will delete here. I will delete here. Filling. We are gonna see here true. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next videos.